Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 78. Today we take a fun romp through GIF sound and YouTube Multiplier. Most of our viewers are educators who are enjoying the beginning of their summer break. I thought it might be fun just to kick back and share two hilarious and frivolous sites that might spark some creativity in you and your kids. They're similar to each other in that they both let you mash up two or more videos or animated GIFs into something greater than the sum of their parts. Yes, I know GIFs are technically pronounced GIF, but I'm saying it my way. I want to say right away that this video is full of copyrighted music, but I also believe it falls under fair use for several reasons. Let me explore these from a presentation I gave to Fair Use for Media Specialists. First, the amount and substantiality of the portions I'm going to be using are very small in relation to the work as a whole. I don't believe they have a great effect upon the potential market or the value of the copyrighted work. They are for nonprofit and educational use for this video. I believe that the use of these audio clips is transformative, definitely is not in the original spirit of the music, and I'm using them in this video in the context of criticism and analysis in terms of sharing with you all some of these websites. I cannot demonstrate the power of these websites without showing you examples. The excerpts are informational and educational. I believe they're highly creative, and I'm only using the relevant portions of these videos in order to help educate you all about the two websites. I'm an educator myself. This is a nonprofit, non-monetized video, and it is for a nonprofit educational agency. We are not taking the heart of the music and the songs from it, and I'm reminding you all, the viewers, of copyright law, possible copyright infringement, and fair use. I do not believe that it affects the market value of these works at all. In fact, if anything else, it might remind you of these songs and have you go out and consume them more often. I don't believe I'm denying the owners of these songs any revenue whatsoever. And if I were to try to seek license for these 5 or 10 songs I'm going to show, then I believe it would be prohibitively expensive for a small educational agency. Okay, so with that out of the way, hopefully this video is not going to get taken down by the YouTube gods. So the first site I wanted to mention was YouTube Multiplier. It's a website where you can go and put in the URLs of up to 8 different YouTube videos, and it combines them. Now, why would you want to do this? Because sometimes mixing things is amazing. Like chocolate and peanut butter.
Chocolate. Peanut butter.
Hey!
Oh, hey, you got your chocolate and my peanut
You got
butter.
peanut butter on my chocolate.
What?
Delicious.
Two great tastes that taste great together. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Real milk chocolate, delicious peanut butter.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
So with plenty of time during the summer, a creative mind, and an easy to use creative tool, you and your kids might produce something like this. So this is Usher versus Goat, and it's a combination of this video with this video, which is just amazing. Perhaps you're looking for something a little bit more philosophical. This is Richard Feynman, a famous scientist, talking about the nature of seeing things.
I think that it's possible, and in those ways is a clue as to what's happening in the pool. That some sort of insect or something with sufficient cleverness could sit in the corner of the pool and just be disturbed by the waves. And by the nature of the irregularities and bumping of the waves, have figured out who jumped in, where and when, and where and what's happening all over the pool.
So yeah, give it a try. Head on over there, go down and put in your own videos. So let's say I have this music here, and I'd like to mix it with nice little ambient fireplace going and maybe some rain. Sounds great. Let's put them all in there. Let's preview it. Huh, not too bad. Nice for a relaxing evening. Our second website is gifsound.com. GIFsound's a little bit more simple, but it's centered around putting audio to an animated GIF. What can you do with this? All sorts of things. Some are just strange, but they work. I don't even know where this GIF came from, but it's amazing. Some are inspirational. Go, little penguin, go! Some are just completely out there. I mean, what do you get when you cross Wallace and Gromit with Bill Nye the Science Guy theme? This is me every time I check my mail. Some just express your love for food. So let's try making our own. First, you need a GIF of some sort. So Giphy is a decent place to look. It's kind of like a repository for all sorts of GIFs. So let's say I want to look for one of Pikachu dancing. That's the one. Once you find it, you need to right click and choose copy image address, and then paste that into the URL box for the GIF. Then you head on over to YouTube and do a search for the song you want. Let it get to the point in the video where you would like to start the music. In this case, ours is at about 26 seconds in. And copy that. And right click and copy the video URL at the current time. And then combine. So there you go. Instant magic. I sure hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Just for kicks now.